Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make almond croissant, salted egg yolk croissants, and matcha red bean ones using frozen croissant dough from Costco. You may get a case of 200 frozen croissant dough from the bakery department of Costco in Canada for about $69. Here is a regular croissant I baked using the dough. It's already very crispy and buttery, with multiple layers like this. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. The fancy croissant with matcha cream and red bean, double-baked almond croissant. Here is the one with salted egg yolk lava. Defrost frozen dough in fridge overnight. Place them on silicone mat lined baking sheet. Remember, the opening should be always on the bottom. Brush top with egg wash. Place inside an oven with room temperature to rise. Have a pan of hot water underneath to help the dough rise. After an hour, remove dough from oven. The dough becomes jiggly like this, which means they are ready to bake. Preheat convection oven to 420 Fahrenheit. Brush another layer of egg wash and bake at 395 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Convection bake at 360 Fahrenheit for another 8 minutes, then remove them from oven. Prepare the filling of almond croissant now. Almond flour, cake flour, sugar, eggs, and butter at room temperature or added into the mixer, then blend together. Pour the blended paste into a piping bag. Cut the center of one croissant with the other side attached. Pipe the almond paste into the croissant, about 25 to 30 grams of almond paste. Then add some almond paste on top with almond slices. Place them onto the baking pan again. Then convection bake at 335 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Remove them from oven. Smells so good. Let them cool down and sprinkle with icing sugar. Here is the double-baked almond croissant. Looks so good. Cut a piece to try. Super crispy and yummy. Let's prepare salted egg yolk lava now. Frozen salted egg yolks are available from Chinese grocery stores. Make sure you cook the egg yolk by steaming or baking them for 10 minutes to sterilize. Add cold salted yolks, whipping cream, sugar, and butter at room temperature into a mixer and blend it into a smooth cream. Sieve the mixture through the strainer and place it in the refrigerator. I'm using a long piping tip like this. Pour the mixture into a piping bag with the tip attached. Squeeze about 20 to 25 grams of egg yolk mixture into the croissant. The sweet and salty egg yolk cream pairs so well with the croissant. Yummy! Let's prepare the matcha cream now. Add icing sugar into cold cream, matcha powder, and a tiny drop of green coloring. Beat cream at slow speed first, then beat at medium-high speed when it starts to thicken. Continue to beat until it becomes stiff. Pour the matcha cream into a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Cut a slit on top of a croissant, then pipe the matcha cream into it. Pipe cream on top to decorate. Put a teaspoon of canned sweetened red bean on it. Looks so pretty and delicious as well. The yummy almond croissant, salted egg yolk croissant, and matcha whipped cream with red bean croissants are all ready to serve now. Enjoy!